आज हम अपनी जीके की क्लास में स्टार्ट करते हैं और आज हम अपना जनवरी मंथ तक 2020 जैन 2020 तक का सारा जीके इस वीडियो के अंदर कवर अप करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं पर्सन्स इन न्यूज़ हु प्रपोज द आइडिया ऑफ मल्टीपर्पस आईडी कार्ड। अमित शाह। हु डेयर यू यू हैव स्टोलन माई ड्रीम्स my childhood with your empty words. Who said these words? Greta Thunberg. Who has been selected as a new chief of the International Monetary Fund? Kristalina Georgieva. Who is the current president of UN General Assembly? Tizania Mohammed Bande. Who has been named India's most powerful woman in media? Kelly Puri. Which Indian wrestler has become world number one in 86 kg category? Deepak Punia. Who has taken over as the new IAF chief? Air Marshal RKS Bhaduria. Pakistan has invited which Indian leader for Kartarpur corridor inauguration? Manmohan Singh. What is the name of murderer of former Punjab Chief Minister Beyant Singh, whose death sentence has been converted to life imprisonment? Balwant Singh. Who has become the first girl student to win President of India Prize? Kavita Gopal. All Hindu, Sikhs, Christian, Jain and Buddhist refugee will get Indian citizenship. Whose statement is this? Amit Shah. Who has been appointed as a executive director for Indian at IMF? Surjit Bhala. Who has been named as MD and CEO of Tata Communication? AS Lakshman Narayan. Who has been appointed as a Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana Court? Ravi Shankar Jha. Who performed Shastra Puja in France after receiving the first Rafale fighter jet? Rajnath Singh. Justice Ajay Lamba recently took a oath as a Chief Justice of which High Court? Guwahati High Court. Who has been appointed as a Chief Operating Officer of the Yes Bank? Anita Pai. Who has been ranked second in the Forbes list of 100 Indian billionaires? Gautam Adani. What is the name of the first person who died spacewalk in 1965 but died recently? Alexei Leonov. Who did spacewalk in 1965 but died recently? Alexei Leonov. What is the name of the Indian nun who was declared saint by Pope Francis recently? Marima Teresa. Who was recently elected as a president of Tunisia? Kais Saied. अवार्ड्स की बात कर लेते हैं। विच सीरीज वॉन आउटस्टैंडिंग ड्रामा सीरीज अवार्ड इन एमी अवार्ड 2019? गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स. हु वॉज द कन्फर्म्ड विद ग्लोबल गोलकीपर अवार्ड? नरेंद्र मोदी. हु वॉज बीन सेलेक्टेड फॉर द दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड? अमिताभ बच्चन. नेशनल यूनिटी अवार्ड हैज़ बीन कंस्टिट्यूट ऑन हुज नेम? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. Which Indian athlete was recently awarded with IAF Vietnam Pin Prize? PT Usha. Which Indian was awarded as a Changemaker Award by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for bringing change in society? Payal Jahangir. Who has been awarded with the UNEP's Asia Environmental Enforcement Award 2019? Prakash Javadekar. Who has been awarded with 2018 Nobel Prize in Literature? Olga Tokarzuk. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature 2019? Peter Handke. Who won the 2019 Nobel Peace Prize? Abiy Ahmed Ali. What is the name of Indian origin economist who recently declared a winner of Nobel Prize 2019 for economics? Abhijit Banerjee. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं स्कीम और एंड लॉन्चेस. Which organization launched the project NETRA recently to protect the space assets? ISRO. Which state has launched YSR Vahana Mitra scheme recently? Vahan Mitra. Andhra Pradesh. What is the name of the audio guide facility app launched by the Ministry of Tourism? Odigos. The Union Government of launched which scheme to assure no-cost healthcare facility to pregnant women and newborns? Suman. Which ministry launched the M Hariali app recently to increase the public engagement in planting trees? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which scheme was recently launched by the FASAI on the occasion of World Food Day? Food Safety Mitra. Which scheme has been launched by the central government to encourage girl students to pursue science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STM education? विज्ञान ज्योति योजना. नेशनल एंड स्टेट की बात कर लें. PM Modi, during his speech at the 2019 UN Climate Summit, announced that India will increase its capacity of renewable energy to 175 gigawatts by which year 2022. Which state or union territory become the first to issue the highest number of golden cards under the Ayushman Bharat scheme? Jammu and Kashmir. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh commissioned with vessels on September 25, 2019, Varaha. Varaha. Which country will host the exercise Malabar 2019? Japan. Which two states have decided to form a panel to resolve water sharing issue? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Which High Court recently launched a mobile app for providing the digital access to lawyers? Delhi High Court. Which state topped the School Education Quality Index released by NITI Ayog? Kerala. Which birth anniversary of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi is being celebrated on October 2, 2019, 150th. The UK court dismissed Pakistan claim and ruled in favor of India in legal battle involving the fund of 17th Nizam of Hyderabad. How much fund involved? $35 million. Which state government announced a complete ban on the tobacco and pan masala product in the state Rajasthan? Newly launched Vande Bharat train take how many hours to reach Katra from Delhi? 8 hours. Recently government has launched which portal to improve coal supply to power plants? Prakash. Which state government has decided to purchase single-use plastic waste to make state plastic-free? Himachal Pradesh. How many states, including Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, have issued 15-point guidelines to save Ganga from pollution? 11. The Supreme Court directed which state government to assure that no more trees will be cut in Are Colony, Maharashtra. Union Cabinet recently approved inclusion of the how many displaced family in Cabinet approved rehabilitation package 5,300 displaced families. Which programs has been launched by the Union government to encourage talented children to enrich their skills? DHRUV. Which country hosted the historic second informal summit between PM Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping? Malapuram. Mamalapuram. Next, international news. Which nation has cut off power to part of West Bank? Israel. Which city hosted the Howdy Modi event wherein PM Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump shared the stage together? Houston. Which country recently announced that the doctors and nurses need to take TOEFL or IELTS exams to practice their UK? Which country has a decriminalized by abortion? Australia. Haza Al Mansouri, first astronaut of which country who returned from the International Space Station recently? UAE. Which country is going to give online tourist visa for first time? Saudi Arabia. Which country released postage stamp on the occasion of 150th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? France. Which country PM arrived for an official visit in India on October 3, 2019? Bangladesh. Which country has announced to leave membership of OPEC? Ecuador. Which country has fined 18 people and groups for illegal IMDb payments? Malaysia. India has the condemned which country military offense in Syria? Turkey. Which United Nations agency recently became the first to make a transaction in cryptocurrency? UNICEF. In which country more than 3,000 women watched a football match in stadium for the first time in early 14 years? Iran. Which country has recently deployed additional 3,000 troops in Saudi Arabia? USA. The United States recently imposed sanctions on which country over its incursion into Syria? Turkey. Next, financial awareness. Which travel giants collapsed recently due to the bankruptcy? Thomas Cook. The RBI has imposed restrictions on the functioning of the which cooperative bank, PMC. The central government announced how much hike in the pension paid to families of central government employee dying with 7 years of the services 50%. PM Narendra Modi announced the how much grant for the Pacific Iceland developing state recently USD 12 million. Which train is India first corporate run train that is slated to run from Lucknow to Delhi, Tejas Express? Who is the author of the book Reset Regaining India's Economic Legacy, which has launched recently? Subramaniam Swamy. Which fast fashion retailer has filed for bankruptcy? Forever 21. Under Swachh Bharat Mission, India built how many toilets for 60 crore people? 11 crore. PM Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin birth Mahatma Gandhi 150th birth anniversary rupees 150. What is the household income limit for borrowers of the NBFC MFI in rural areas? 1.25 lakh. India recently received the first tranche of detail about the Indian citizen amount in which institution? Swiss Bank. How much monetary assistance will be provided to the family of the battle casualty after the government latest hike? 8 lakh. Which economic topped the global competitiveness index 2019? Singapore. Union cabinet recently approved additional installment of how much percent DNS allowances to government employee? 5%. Government e-marketplace GEM signed an MOU with which bank to offer the funds transfer service to the registered users? Union Bank of India. Which bank has recently reduced to marginal cost based lending rate MCLR by 0.5%? Allahabad Bank. Which international organization has recently published a report about the violation of labor right in tea gardens of an Indian state? Oxfam. Which Indian airlines become the first in the world to use TaxBot on an A320 aircraft with passengers on board? Air India. The International Monetary Fund IMF has reduced Indian GDP growth forecast for the year 2019-20 from 7% to what percentage? 6.1%. What percentage of the growth was recorded in the recently concluded livestock census in India as compared to the year 2012? 4.63%. According to which organization report, India's economic growth rate for the year 2019 and 2020 will be 6.1% and 7% respectively? IMF mean Indian Monetary Fund. How many days IRCTC special Buddha circuit train will take to complete its journey? 8. Sports. Who won the silver medal in the World Boxing Championship 2019? Amit Pangal. Which wrestler pulled out of which title about due to the injury at the World Wrestling Championship 2019? Deepak Punia. Who has won the Formula 1 Singapore Grand Prix recently? Sebastian Vettel. Who won the FIFA Best Man Player Award 2019 for his outstanding performance recently? Lionel Messi. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to bowl 3 maiden in T20 ODIs? Dipti Sharma. Which American sprinter recently won the gold medal in the World Athletic Championship by completing 100 meter in 9.76 seconds? Christian Coleman. Who scored his maiden test century during Indian first test against South Africa? Mayank Agarwal. Who from the following become the second fastest Indian to take 200 test wickets? Ravindra Jadeja. In which place Indian first floating basketball court has started? Mumbai. Which Indian cricketer has become the first Indian player who played 100 T20 internationals? Harmanpreet Kaur. Which Indian player has become the first Indian athlete to qualify for Tokyo Olympic 2020 in individual competition? Avinash Sahabe. Who has become the first Indian captain to score 40 hundreds? Virat Kohli. Which Indian woman athlete has broken her own national records in 59 National Open Athletics Championship and won the gold medal in the women's 100 meter event? Duti Chand. Which medal won by the Indian boxer Manju Rani in 48 kilogram weight category of the Women's World Boxing Championship silver. Which Indian player has won Dutch Open Badminton 2019? Lakshya Sen. Which rule will be decide a winner during a tie match per the new ICC rule Super Over? Science and Technology. The Delhi University and Zoological Survey of India recently discovered a new species of the frog in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which college would be hosting second edition of the Singapore Indian Hackathon? IIT Madras. Which Indian classical musician have been honored with a planet named after him? Pandit Jashraj. What is the strike range of the land attack version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile 290 km? What is the name of the Chandrayaan 2 payload that found charged particle on the moon? Class. What is the name of the NASA recently launched a satellite to study the ionosphere? ICON. How many women astronauts did a spacewalk without a male astronaut for the first time in the history of space? 2. Miscellaneous. Which film has been nominated for the Oscar 2019 has a Indian official entry? Gully Boy. Which Indian business school has been ranked among top 10 Forbes Best International One-Year Business School 2019? ISB Hyderabad. When is the National Unity Day observed every year in India? 31st October. National Unity Day. Which nation topped the IMD World Digital Competitiveness Ranking 2019? United States. Which anniversary did Google celebrate on the September 27, 2019, 21st? How many countries, including India, have signed an agreement to stop the spread of online fake news? 20. When was the first World Cotton Day celebrate? October 7, 2019. Which newspaper recently announced to stop its print venture and go digital completely? Daily News and Analysis. After Union Cabinet approval, what is the new honorarium amount that will be given to the ASHA workers? Rupees 2000. What is the name of the Indian first female graduate honors for the whom Google has recently dedicated a doodle? Kamini Roy. On which social media platform Prime Minister Modi has become the world's most followed global leader? Instagram. What is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index 2019? 102. What is the percentage of Indian children are underweight? Has percent recently released UNICEF report? 33%. Next, some important abbreviations: ATVM, automatic ticket vending machine; NAM, NAM, non-aligned movement; AFRS, automated facial recognition system; NACIN, National Academy of Customs Indirect Taxes and Narcotics STEP, support to training and employment program for women; DSCI, Data Security Council of India; ITMS, Intelligent Traffic Monitoring System. Important date and day and dates: January 1st, Army Medical Corps Establishment Day; Jan 6, World War Orphans Day; Jan 9, Pravasi Bharati Divas NRA Day; Jan 10, World Laughter Day; Jan 12, National Youth Day; Jan 15, Indian Army Day; Jan 23, Netaji Jayanti; Jan 25, National Voter Day; Jan 27, World Leprosy Day; Jan 28, Lala Lajpat Rai Jayanti; Jan 30th, सर्वोदय दिवस और शहीदी दिवस. नेक्स्ट, AQI मीन्स एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स. तो ये कई बार पूछा गया है, इसलिए मैंने इसे इंक्लूड किया हुआ है. AQI और ये क्या है? एसोसिएटेड हेल्थ इम्पैक्ट्स. तो हमारे पास इंडेक्स में क्या क्या रेंजेस हैं, उसके हिसाब से हम बता सकते हैं. अगर एयर क्वालिटी जो है वो 0 to 50 है तो उसे हम गुड मानते हैं, और ये उसे इसका जो हेल्थ पे इम्पैक्ट होता है वो मिनिमल इम्पैक्ट होता है. सेटिस्फैक्ट्री 51 to 100 में कॉज माइनर ब्रीथ डिस्कम्फर्ट टू सेंसिटिव पीपल. अगर आपका AQI अगर मॉडरेट पोल्यूटेड है, 101 से 200 के बीच में आ रहा है, तो मे कॉज ब्रीदिंग डिस्कम्फर्ट टू पीपल विद लंग डिसीज सच एज अस्थमा एंड डिस्कम्फर्ट टू द पीपल विद हार्ट डिसीज, चिल्ड्रन एंड ओल्डर एडल्ट्स. नेक्स्ट, पुअर 201 to 300 may cause breathing discomfort to the people on prolonged exposure and discomfort to the people with heart disease. Very poor 301 to 400 may cause respiratory illness to the people on the prolonged exposure. Effect may be more pronounced in the people with lung and heart disease. severe 401 to 500, may cause respiratory impact even on the healthy people and serious health impact on people with lung and heart disease. The health impact may be experienced even they during light फिजिकली एक्टिविटी. तो ये जो रेंजेस हैं हमारी एयर इंडेक्स के, तो क्वालिटी इंडेक्स के, तो ये हमारा हमने काउंट किया है 0 to 500. तो पहले 0 to 50 है, फिर 51 to 100 है, फिर 101 से 200, फिर 201 से 300, फिर 301 से 400 और लास्ट है 401 से 500. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, डेजिग्नेशन, हु इज़ हु, है ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. डेजिग्नेशन चेयरमैन राज्यसभा वेंकैया नायडू, लोकसभा स्पीकर ओम बिरला, चेयरमैन ऑफ NITI आयोग नरेंद्र दास मोदी, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन इन द राज्यसभा गुलाम नबी आज़ाद, लीडर ऑफ हाउस इन लोकसभा नरेंद्र दास मोदी, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन इन लोकसभा एबसेंट, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर सुनील अरोरा, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर अशोक लवासा और सुशील चंद्र. नेक्स्ट, डायरेक्टर जनरल ITBP SS देशवल, चीफ विजिलेंस कमिश्नर शरद कुमार, फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी विजय केशवा गोखले, कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया राजीव मिश्री, डायरेक्टर विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर S सोमनाथ, चेयरमैन ऑफ टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, ऐसे कहते हैं, ट्राई भी कहते हैं, RS शर्मा, CBI डायरेक्टर ऋषि कुमार शुक्ला, चेयरमैन इंडियन नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स नंद कुमार साई, चेयरपर्सन नेशनल कमीशन फॉर माइनॉरिटीज सैयद गैरुल हसन रिजवी, चेयरमैन UPSC अरविंद सक्सेना, डायरेक्टर जनरल नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी YC मोदी, चेयरमैन UGC DP सिंह, चेयरमैन स्पेस कमीशन एंड इसरो KV Sivan, चेयरमैन एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन एंड सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी KN व्यास, चेयरमैन SSC ब्रजराज शर्मा, चेयरमैन नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन जस्टिस HL दत्त, रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एंड सेंसस कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया विवेक जोशी, चेयरमैन सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर टैक्सेस प्रमोद चंद्र मोदी, चेयरमैन इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी डिपार्टमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया सुभाष चंद्र कुंतिया, चेयरमैन सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया अजय त्यागी, चेयरपर्सन स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया रजनीश कुमार, चेयरमैन LIC MR कुमार, इंडिया परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेड इन UNO सैयद अकबरुद्दीन, होम सेक्रेटरी अजय कुमार भाला, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ वुमेन रेखा शर्मा, चेयरमैन 15th फाइनेंस कमीशन NK सिंह, चेयरमैन कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया अशोक कुमार गुप्ता, चेयरपर्सन सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन परशुन जोशी, प्रेसिडेंट ASSO CHAM आइसोकैम बालकृष्ण गोयंका, चेयरपर्सन नासोकॉम NASSCOM केशव मुरुगेश, चेयर ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ बिपिन रावत, चीफ रॉ सामंत गोयल, चिल्ड्रन फिल्म सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया CEO प्रशांत प्रातपे, डायरेक्टर भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर AK मोंटी, प्रेसिडेंट CII विक्रम S किलोस्कर, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ FICCI संदीप सोमने, चेयरमैन ऑफ 21st लॉ कमीशन डॉक्टर जस्टिस BS चौहान, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइज़र अजीत डोवल, चेयरपर्सन प्रसार भारती डॉक्टर A सूर्य प्रकाश, DG ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी विनीत जोशी, फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी राजीव कुमार एंड लास्ट चेयरमैन इंडिया बैंक्स एसोसिएशन सुनील मेहता. तो ये सारे जो हमारे डाटा हैं वो 26 नवंबर 2019 से पहले वाले, ये जो हमने अभी डेजिग्नेशन पढ़े हैं सारे 50 तक, ये सारे के सारे ऑन रिकॉर्ड जो हमारे पास नवंबर 2019 की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसके बेस पर है, राइट. तो थैंक यू सो मच. मेरी वीडियो को ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें. थैंक यू.